Yo, what's up guys, Clinton here. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can actually connect your laptop to another monitor. So you can actually enjoy that, dual display that you have been imagining. It's really interesting to actually have two displays on one computer or laptop because it makes your work faster, like your productivity, spikes up a little bit. Okay, without wasting much time, let's actually go into this one. It's going to be a very short tutorial. All right, guys. So for this one, we'll be making use of a HDMI card, and something like this would work. You can see this is HDMI to HDMI, and you can see it's not a DP cable. All right, but in my case, my laptop actually has no HDMI output. What I have here is a Type C. If your laptop has this kind of a setup, for instance, you're using a MacBook or any Windows, because this is a HP Envy that I'm using right here. This is the HP Envy. Okay, so guys, this is how my looks like. All right, so this is what I'm making use of right now. HP Envy, and it has a Type C just right here. All right, so if your laptop is using a Type C, then you have to grab one of these HDMI to a Type C. You can just go to Amazon and just type HDMI to Type C. So this is what I'm using here, Bention, and it works pretty fine. That's my monitor over there, and it has okay, so this is my monitor. So this is my monitor. It has the HDMI and it has a DP, but we're not going to be making use of these two. We're just going to make use of this one here. Okay. So for us to do that right now, I just get my HDMI card and just plug it in. When I plug that in right there, all right, so when I plug that on my monitor, then I take the other end and just plug it right here. Okay, so you can see on my monitor now, the whole thing just comes up together. All right, this is my laptop, and here is my monitor right now. So I'm just gonna go into my settings and show you guys the best settings for you to use on this kind of setup. But you need to understand that my laptop, you need to understand that my laptop is on the right hand side here. Okay, I'm just gonna go into settings from here. All right, guys. So after you've connected your laptop to your monitor, there is one more thing you will need to do. What you need to do right now is to on your desktop screen here, where you have to right click and go to here that says display settings. When you open that up, it takes you into your settings, and from here there are some things you will need to do. Like for instance, you will need to make sure that it's an extend. You're trying to extend your display, and you're not trying to duplicate this, because if you duplicate it, it's just going to show a duplicate on both screens. So you have to extend it so you can multitask. Okay, and you can go ahead and just adjust your display. You can make currently, if you click on identify, you can see that our display here is display 2. You can make your display 2 your main display, but on a default, your display 1 is going to be your main display. Okay, you go over to advanced display settings, and you have to make sure that okay, this is our display 2. You can choose the best refresh rate, this so my monitor can run at 120 hertz. That's a good one. All right, guys, this is basically everything you need to know about extending your laptop screen to a monitor. All right, guys, if you actually found value in this video, don't forget, go ahead, give the video a like, and you can actually consider subscribing to the channel. It actually helps the channel to grow, and I really do appreciate that. Okay, as always, quality content only. Stay tuned and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.